Hello, this is Janet from Pinoy Cooking Recipes. This Chinese-style honey chicken wings recipe is a winner. The sauce is so flavorful and easy to make. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin by preparing 2 pounds or 1 kilo chicken wings. After you remove wings from the package, thoroughly pat them dry with paper towels. Now, in a non-stick wok or large pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Adding a small amount of cooking oil will help keep the butter from burning easily. Next, add ginger and garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the chili flakes, then the chicken wings. Fry the chicken wings for about 4 minutes on each side, or until all sides are brown. Now, add the soy sauce and sesame oil and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Add the honey and cook for another 8 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked and sauce becomes sticky. Cook over low heat while stirring occasionally as you do not want to burn the chicken wings. You can season it with salt and pepper if desired. Now it's ready! Serve alone or with hot steamed rice. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Enjoy! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!